How are we doing today, everybody? It is September 14th. It is a professional trader, aka the funded trader, aka Usman Alpha Lobby. Today's video is just going to be an update on the markets and an update on how my FTMO account is doing, right? So let's just go ahead and get on to it, right? So I just want to share a big mistake that I made the other day while taking in some trades. This is go ahead and get right onto it, right? So we have GBP USD and USD CAD, right? I made a huge mistake the other day while placing trades on GBP USD. I was sell biased on GBP USD and I was bullish on USD CAD. But where I messed up was in the lot size that I entered here. As you can see, I entered a $8.50 trade here, right? And I entered a $7 trade on USD CAD, right? That is not what I meant to do at all. That was me not double checking, not just, lacking. I was lacking. I meant to put an 85-cent lot, but you cannot do that. I meant to put a 0.085. And right here, I meant to put a 0.07, a 70-cent lot, but instead I accidentally put a $7 lot. And here I put an $8.50 lot. We can see this one, I closed it out for profit, thank God. But as we can see in this one, I closed out for minus $40. So about 0.4% just off this mistaken trade alone, right? So I entered again GBP USD on the sell, and I entered Euro USD on the sell as well. But I was so actually what I did, I entered USD CAD I believe in an $88.50 lot as well, but I cut off most of it. So I closed out a $7 lot. So what's remaining is a $1.50 lot. So minus $40. And then here we see that I entered again, right? And $14 and $15. So I closed these trades out very early just because I wanted to capture some more profits for this loss that I took. And I just wanted to bring my account back to kind of where it was before I made this mistake here, right? And then let's go ahead and look at the markets. This is just one of those things. I closed out the trades early, just so that I wouldn't be leveraging too much because I was still in the AUD USD sell and I still had this USD CAD sell open, right? So I closed out of Euro USD and I closed out of GBP USD, right? And this is how that went. Massive bearishness came in, right? Look at the Euro USD, massive bearish pressure came in, right? That's 100 plus pips. About 83 pips, right? And as we can see, I only was able to capture 15 pips and 14 pips, just because I was trying to recover this move, right? And you can say, why didn't you just hold on to the trades? The thing about it is, like I said, I was already in that USD CAD buy and I was in the AUD USD sell. So I just closed out of these two and let the AUD USD and the USD CAD run just because I knew USD news was coming out today, right? And the news that came out for USD was very bullish, right? Which was kind of what I was hoping for, right? I was bullish on the dollar. So this is exactly what I was looking for. And that caused this to happen on the DXY. So we're most definitely bullish on the DXY, at the moment. And until structure changes. If we go back to FTMO, we can see that, it's funny because, I left my USD CAD trade open and I left my USD trade open. And the dollar is very bullish today, but it's just a little bit funny. The trades that I decided to stick with are the ones that aren't going. and the ones that I decided to close early are going, right? It's just I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit upset at myself right now just for the mistake that I made. If I didn't make that mistake, I would have held on to all trades. I would have been super profitable right now. Would have been closer to finishing my FTMO account, but that's not the case, right? I'm actually in some drawdown at the moment. Let's see if we can refresh this. I'm actually in some drawdown at the moment, right? From being up about 2.2% to about my equity being about 1.41%. It hurts, it sucks. Wish I was in these trades, wish I captured this movement, but I didn't. So we move on and we just keep going. So let's go ahead and look at some charts. For the moment, the DXY does look very bullish. So why USD CAD is not moving along with that yet? I'm not 100% sure. Truth be told with you, my analysis on the DXY though has not changed. You could say I entered a little bit too early because I entered about came to this trend line bounce over here, and then we had a couple hours of some bullishness, right? So I entered somewhere around here, right? You could say I entered too early because in my last videos, I did say that I would like to enter here, but I didn't wait on it. I saw this bullishness here off the trend line, and I took a buy here. It wasn't I wasn't risking that much, so that's why I went ahead and took the trade early, just to come to find out I was risking so much. I came back to look at just how my trades were doing, and I saw that I was down like $50, and I was so confused. I was like, wait, it's like the markets aren't going the way that I'm trading it in, but it's like I shouldn't be down $50. And it took a while to register in my head that I entered the wrong lot size. At first I was thinking, I was like, wait, is this what people call slippage? Is this like what slippage is? Like when you enter a trade at this amount, but like, blah, blah, blah. Or like, I was thinking like, am I being bamboozled right now? Like, are my brokers messing with me? Just to come to find out it was all my fault. So USD CAD though, I'm still bullish on it. Until we get the break of structure, my analysis really hasn't changed. DXY does look bullish, so therefore I am still bullish on it. It's most definitely not bullish at the moment, and I'm not really looking to add on to any entries at the moment. But if we can see a bounce off of this resistance level here, that'll most definitely be good for my trade, right? So that's how I feel about USD CAD. Just looking for a bounce off this resistance level over here, right? I'm also in AUD USD. That's another trade I'm in. I'm trading it off the break and retest on the daily level, right? We had a break of this level here, and then we had price push back into this level here. And all I'm seeing is that if we can get a continuation to the downside, right? So that's how I feel about AUD USD. I was almost stopped out, right? It was real close to being stopped out, but that's why I always give my stop loss from boom to run just in case things like that do happen. It seems like we've had a lot of wicks just in this range right here where where the daily broke, where the daily level broke and is retesting. It seems like we have a lot of just wicks going on here, like prices coming here and injecting. So to me, the bearish analysis still does look good. Just hoping we can get some more bearish momentum, right? So USD CAD and AUD USD are the trades that I'm in. Euro USD, wow, that pair, this is just, it's going, man. This hurts my heart a little bit, but I'm not gonna beat myself up too much. Euro USD, the next obvious level of resistance is this level right here. Seems like price is heading there pretty fast. Are we going to get a bounce off of this level right here and continue and buys back up? Excuse me, kind of like here. or are we going to get the break of this structure right here, and are we going to continue down? Just gonna have to wait. There's really nothing. There's nothing for me at the moment with Euro USD. I was in the trade. I closed the trade out early. Can't really sell it right now. I can't really buy it right now because that's just not how things work for me. The only thing I could wait on was bullish momentum to come in and higher highs start to be formed, or the break and retest of this level, right? So, yep. GBP USD, same thing. It's obvious level of resistance though isn't as close for GBP USD as it is for USD CAD. So I would say that's about the next level, about the next obvious level, 2.3100. It's really no trades for me on USD CAD right now. I was hit. Let me go to the 15-minute. So when news came out and the bearish momentum started to drop, I was thinking about entering when price did this retest here, but just because I was in my other trades on AUD USD CAD, I just didn't enter again. But in hindsight, I wish I did. But at the moment, there's really nothing here for me with GBP USD. If we can get maybe another pullback in to this area here, I'll be looking to potentially continue to short it to here. But until then, there's nothing here for me. XAU USD, most definitely still looking bearish as well, but would want to see price come here, right, before I continue to short it. So until then, not gonna be looking to short gold. USDJPY, looking bullish as well, but still haven't got the break of structure of this level here. It's just kind of been ranging back and forth. So that's everything now. We see the news that came out today really gave a lot of volatility in the market. Hopefully my USD CAD trade could potentially turn around. Hopefully this AUD USD trade can continue to go my way. So that's how today went for me. That's how my FTMO account is doing. If I take any trades, if anything does happen, most definitely I will be updating, making another video. Just kind of have to be on our hands at the moment. Of course I wish I could be in a trade. Of course, we all wish we could be in a trade. And always, it kind of sucks to be right on something and to not capitalize as much as you should have capitalized on. But I'm not gonna get too down on it just because there's no point on getting down on it too much. There's nothing that's gonna change. The markets aren't gonna go back in time and help me out. The markets is just gonna keep moving. The markets is just gonna keep doing what they do, and there will be new opportunities in the future for sure. So just have to keep my mindset right. Just have to stay focused and just have to stay focused on the end goal. As much as I would like to pass this trade as soon as possible, taking things slow and doing things right is the way that I want to do it. And that's why I am the professional trader. So thank you guys for listening to my short little rant. As always, thank you guys. You guys have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Thank God.